So here we are in the 2E trophy. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at number 14 and 15, the little tea house. We're going to do this in practice mode so we can learn each line section by itself. Let's go ahead and look at measures 1 through 4, the first line. So we have C, E, G, A, and then a B flat right there. Now notice the fingering. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to be using all of our fingers just like a 5-finger scale. However, we're going to be skipping some notes. So on the piano it looks like C, E, G, A, B flat with the pinky, and then you reverse it. Now the next two measures are the exact same thing. However, you just hold the B flat instead of reversing it. So you go C, E, G, A, hold. Let's go ahead and try this.
1, 2, set, go.
C, E, G, A, B flat. Again. Hold the B flat with your pinky. So that's that. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. We have measures 5 through 8, the second line. Now, as you can see, it does the exact same thing on these first two measures that we did before, C, E, G, A, B flat, reverse. Now these last two measures right here are a little different. We're going to play the B flat with our fourth finger, and then the G, B, C. So it goes B, G, B, C. Now let's try the whole thing. Reverse, jump to your fourth finger. Make sure you get that B flat with your fourth finger after reversing it. Fourth finger. Let's go ahead and try it.
1, 2, set, go.
C, E, G, A, B flat. Fourth finger on B. Okay, so that's that. Let's move on to the next section. Measures 9 through 12. Okay, we have our arpeggio again, but this time we reverse it. We go C, G, E, C. And then the next measure, we're going to play that E flat with our third finger, and then just go down. And then we do the exact same thing again on the next two measures, but just hold the E flat. Make sure you get that E flat with your third finger. Let's go ahead and try it.
1, 2, set, go.
E flat. Again. Hold. Just like that. Let's move on to the next section. Try memorizing all of these. That'll help a lot, as well as looking at all the patterns like you see C, G, E, C. You'll see that as an arpeggio. 13 through 16, the next section. Now, again, same thing. Arpeggio reverse. Da, 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 da. Now the next measure we have E flat, C, D, and then finish it off with a C. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and try this one.
1, 2, set, go.
E flat with the third finger, E flat again, C, D, finish it off with a C. Okay, now that we have that one, let's move down to the last section that we're going to learn. In fact, all the ones that we've learned so far are all the new ones. This one is pretty much like the first one we've learned, however, it's a little bit different. So we have the arpeggio up, then our fourth finger on A, then our pinky on B flat, then reverse it like normal, and then we jump to the fourth finger, da, da, rest, rest, da, da, rest, rest, da, 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 da. So the only thing that we add, we kind of like splice these two different things in the middle of the whole thing. So we have B flat, G, rest, rest, B flat, G, rest, rest, B flat, G, B flat, C. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and try it.
1, 2, set, go.
Fourth finger on B flat. Rest, rest. rest, rest. Finish it off on the high C. Okay, so that is the whole thing. Let's go ahead and close out of practice mode, and we're going to jump to number 15 so we can do the fast one and go through the whole song and see how it's put together, okay?
1, 2, set, go.
Hold the B flat, repeat again. Fourth finger on the B flat. Now reverse it. Third finger on G, third finger on E flat. Repeat. Again. Third finger on E flat. C. Finish off with the C. Now repeat. This is section 1. Now we have that last section. Fourth finger on B flat. 1, 2. Rest, rest. Okay, so this one is quite challenging when you put it all together. It helps if you make sure that you have all of these techniques solid, as well as the doing the correct fingering. That'll help a lot. But go ahead and work on this, and good luck.